Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove the rear bumper cover on a 2015 Honda Civic Coupe. Start out by opening up your trunk, and we're going to have to remove these two bolts in the back here, and you can use a T30 Torx bit or an Allen head key to get these out. Next, come over to the side of the bumper, and there's two Phillips screws that need to come out. And then take a skinny plastic pry tool. You can get sets of these on Amazon for pretty cheap. I'll put a link in the description below where you can get these. And what we're gonna do is where the bumper meets the quarter, we're going to pry down while pulling out just a little bit. We're going to pry down on the bumper in the slots where it hooks into the spacer that's underneath the bumper right here. And we're just going to press down, and it releases the clips. Now you can use a flathead screwdriver to do this if you don't want to get plastic pry tools, but you can chip your bumper or your quarter rather. The paint on your quarter, so just be careful if you decide to use a flathead screwdriver. And just work your way up towards the taillight. And then when you get up to the taillight right there, you can go ahead and stop, and you're going to want to go to the other side and take the screws out and take this loose also. And then you're going to want to climb underneath your bumper, and we have these bumper clips that we're going to have to remove. Now this is an SI model, so it might be slightly different than just a regular coupe, but the same concept applies. So we're going to have to remove these clips. You can use a clip tool or a flathead screwdriver. I'm going to show you guys how to do it with a flathead. So you want to start on one side and just pry it a little bit, and then work your way to the other side and just pry out a little bit. And you just want to go back and forth and just pry a little, and don't pry too hard on one side because you'll end up busting the clip out. These clips on the bottom, they get really grimy from all the road debris, so they're real easy to break. But if you work your way back and forth, you can typically get them out without breaking them. And then when we get that middle popped up, you can just pull out on it with your hand, and it pulls the clip right out. And then do the same with this clip here. Just pry a little bit on one side, work your way over. And if you do end up breaking these, it's not that big of a deal. You can get replacements online for pretty cheap too, and I'll link to those in the description below also. But you guys get the idea. You're just going to work your way down the middle, removing those two clips in the back there, and then same with the other ones on the other side. And then just go around to each side of the bumper and pull directly back on it. And that's it, guys. Bumper's off. Thanks for watching.